Hey you, looking for a delicious, healthy, and unique pizza recipe to wow your friends and family? Then you've got to try this Thai-inspired pizza. It's packed with flavor and sure to be a hit. Before we dive in, full list of ingredients is down below in the description so you can follow along easily. Let's start by making our crust. Grab 2 zucchinis and shred them to make about 2 cups. Make sure to grate them onto a towel. This will help later. We're using a zucchini crust because it pairs perfectly with the Thai flavors we're going for. Now, gather the sides of the towel and wring out all the excess liquid from the zucchini. Then, place it into a bowl. Next, mix in 2 eggs with your shredded zucchini and half a cup of almond flour, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 3/4 cup of Parmesan. Mix everything well, then place it on a baking sheet sprayed with cooking spray. Shape the dough into about a 10-inch round and pop it into the oven at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Not only does this crust taste great, but it's lower in carbs and packed with fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and B vitamins. While the crust bakes, let's move on to the sauce and our toppings. To give this pizza its Thai-inspired kick, we'll make the peanut sauce for the base. Mince 2 garlic cloves and combine them with 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of powdered ginger, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Finally, add the zest and juice of 1 lime, then whisk it all together. For the topping, slice a red and green pepper. You can cut them julienne style or on the bias for a nice presentation. Then chop up some green onions, tomatoes, and zucchini. If you want to add some protein, shredded chicken tossed in cilantro is a great choice. By now, your crust should be ready to come out of the oven. Make sure to flip the crust over to get the other side nice and crunchy. Spread the peanut sauce evenly across the crust. Then add about 1 1/4 cups of mozzarella, your tomatoes, zucchini slices, red and green peppers, and any protein you're using. Bake for another 7 to 10 minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to check out some more videos, give this video a like, subscribe to the Community Teaching Kitchen, and we'll see you next time.